Welcome to the digital form to register for the selection process of refugees and holders of humanitarian visas, PSRH. Any applicant can access the system free of charge via the internet from different places in Brazil. If you do not already register in the system, the first step is to register online. When registering, you must create a login and password, keeping the registered information because they will be used to access the system. If you are already registered, simply log in with the data previously registered, country of nationality, document number, and registered password. After completing your registration and logging into the system, you must do the application by entering all the documents requested in the public notice. Stay tuned. All applicants must be selected to the option for social demand reserved seat upon registration. In the declaration form field, the applicant must insert duly completed and sign the enclosure I of the public notice. A double-sided copy of the National Migration Registration Card (CRNM) must be attached, containing legal support providing refugees, refugee applicants, and holders of humanitarian visas. Only applicants from the countries that do not have Spanish or Portuguese as their official language must provide proof of language proficiency by sending one of the language proficiency documents as established in the public notice.